This is a tribute to Giant. We got Elizabeth Taylor up there. James Dean, the late James Dean. And you got Rock Hudson out there in the movie Giant. Excellent movie, by the way. Excellent movie. You got to see it. And they got music playing in there. And the old beautiful house that was out in the middle of the desert there. And there's the crew filming it back there. And you got some solar panels making electricity for all this here. But yeah, that was an excellent movie, Giant, here. So, yep. You got to come up here. Yeah, look at that. There you go. Giant. You got the old house here and everything. We got the sign up here. We're going to see what the sign says. I'll try to read it for you here if I can. It's a little small print. And it says, for entry to the acreage, you kindly have to contact the gatekeeper, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so you can't trespass there. But, yeah, that's it. All right, there's Shadow Man down there. Yeah, Shadow Man making his appearance here.